What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today, well, I would say this morning, I just landed in Switzerland's airport. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see the setup. Looks pretty cool. It looks pretty chill. As you can see, there's a red wall. It's red, AB, E42. I'm reading the sign up there. Look at all the people. A lot of people getting off a flight, or maybe no, they're getting off the flight. I'm trying to find, well, I think that my next flight, the gate is gonna be either A or B. So right now I'm looking to see if there are any lounges I can get into so I can do some things on my laptop and maybe get some free food. I don't know. But long walk to A and B. You can see there's a store here, a duty free, where you can get things like drinks, glasses. Ooh, Starbucks. But no, I don't want coffee. I actually don't like coffee. But some people do need it, and it is early in the morning, so you know. Now we're in the elevator to get to gates A and B. Where am I? Where am I? I got lost. I think I'm lost. Help me, guys. No, but this looks kind of creepy, right? There's no one here. Well, there's one person on the left. It's coming on the left, but I don't know. Oh, okay. I see people. Whoa. For a second there, I didn't see anybody. That's crazy. Now I'm going down the escalator. Really tall escalator this time. But that looks so cool. We have to wait for the train to get to our gate. So that's the destination up there. Right now we're at gate E, and we need to get to gate A, B, and D. Okay, they just stamped my passport, meaning I'm cleared to go to my next flight. And now I'm not sure what gate I'm supposed to be at. I'm pretty sure it's A, but it could be B. It's too early to tell because my flight's at 12 and it is 8 a.m. right now. So if it's 8 a.m. right now and my flight's at 12, that is 4 hours away, right? Because you would basically add, oh look, it's a robot cleaning cart. It's cleaning on its own. It's like a robot. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the flight, it's too early to get the information. It's okay. I'm gonna look at some lounges I can go into. So I'll check in a few. As you can see, I'm in the lounge now. And it's pretty chill in here. I have some eggs. I ate most of it. Okay, now I'm charging it. Egg. It's decent enough. I hope they put more out though, because I want more. But let me see if I can move this camera up a little bit. No. I don't think I can move the head up. I think we're stuck here. But that's okay. You know, the flight didn't feel too long. I was there. It was a 9-hour flight, but it went by fast. I don't know if it's because we left at 5 p.m. and normally when I do flights, like long international flights like this, I leave at around 10 o'clock at night. So this one was 5 o'clock at night. So I think me arriving somewhere earlier made it feel like the flight was shorter. You know what I mean? I don't know. Could be. I need more eggs. I got water too. Drinking water. This is a fork, and this is water, a glass of water. Now I got a lot more eggs. Boom. Gonna take a bite. I think there's cheese infused, like cheese mixed with the egg already. Oh, that's good. Let me see. They gave me a Wi-Fi password on like a receipt on a ticket. Let me see. It's a 4-hour late. I mean, it's good for 4 hours. So when I activate it, it's only good for 4 hours, which is enough time because the flight is at 3. I'm gonna go ahead and upload a video, upload one of my workout TikToks and Instagram reels that I do. I wasn't able to upload it because I was on the plane and the plane's Wi-Fi was kind of spotty. How do I say spotty in a way that you guys would understand it? So when I say it's spotty, it was on and off and it wasn't that strong. So I wouldn't have been able to upload the video at good quality or even upload it at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload it right now. You guys can follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Gus Activa, the same name as my YouTube. So let me go ahead and upload it now. What's up, guys? We're leaving the lounge now. I had like 3 plates of eggs. At this point, I'm gonna turn into an egg myself. But yeah, I just used the bathroom. Now I'm gonna head over to the gate so I can get to Italy. So we're gonna do one last walkthrough of this airport to get to where we're going. Do I turn left, right? Left, right? Here. Okay, cool. Here. I'm on my way to gate A. This looks cool. I think that's a little cafe downstairs. Or a big cafe. Burger and beer. Gift shop. Has all the cool stuff. Duty free, where you get all your colognes and stuff. Tax free. That's cool. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. I may be getting a little lost here. I'm looking for Gate A. Gate A. Okay, no. I'm going downstairs. I'm going the right way. You see? Make sure I'm going the right way, guys. Gate A. I have to go down this escalator. Let's do it. Alright, it's going good. We are going to gate A67. So that should be this. No, that shouldn't be too far. I'm seeing 64 to 86. Okay, cool. Really close. I actually think we're gonna be there in like 2 seconds. 6. This is the Budapest. I'm not going there. Let me see. And we are here. Nice. Alright, now I'm on the plane to Italy. So I'll end the video here. If you like this video or learned something new, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.